You know why I'm here. You know where I came from. You win and you lose. You know how the game go. You can't fit in my shoes. No, you cannot hang, little nigga, cause they don't have a clue. Them up where I came from. Yeah, started selling nickels, then I'm about the whole time.
This is the life of a girl dad. Welcome to Life with Jesus. Let's go. What it do, G's gang? It's your boy Joe G's. And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. Today is me and baby Minion. We are going out to Kenwood Mall because we gotta go to Apple because my charger for my MacBook broke. I'm not charging my computer. I had videos I was working on, and I ain't been able to do no work because my computer dead. And I ain't got no way to charge it. I used to charge it with my old phone charger, but for some reason, the charger that I have now will not charge the won't charge my book. It will not charge my MacBook. So we are on the way up to the Apple store to see what's going on. I guess probably get another cord for the charger. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and you know, get some popcorn or some snacks. Sorry, I ain't looking at the camera, but I gotta look at the road because I am driving. I'm always driving, so I can't look at you all the time. I gotta look at the camera. I'm in the street, or I'll be, oh shit, we're crashing. But say hi, mama.
Hi.
She said hi to y'all, and we're gonna see y'all in a minute when we get to Kenwood. So. Come on. Alright, y'all. So me and Twin done made it up here. Kenwood.
Bye-bye.
Kenwood. She got a little cold, so somebody smoking a stinking cigarette. Alright, we about to walk in there and get her mask on. Here I go here to the Apple. Let's hurry up, because our appointment is in 3 minutes. Hurry up, get over. Oh, you like the outfits? Yes. What's what? What's what? Yeah. It's the microphone.
What is that?
The microphone, excuse me. Ooh, it's been a while since I've been in here. Hey, it's a good dive out of here. All right, y'all, so we about to walk up here in the Apple. Hey, it's packed. It's always packed in here. We'll see y'all when we come out. We're in this Apple store. We got all these. You see all these nuances. And say hi to the people. You see their fly.
1 hour later.
Alright, so like that, we up out of there. Twin done fell asleep on me. She been bugging me about these muffins and fell asleep, but then again, she is not feeling good. So, let's get up out of here. Get her back home. Oh yeah, the great thing about today, he gave me a whole new charger for free. Everything's always better when it's free, as long as it's worth for free. But we about to get up out of here, get back on the road. I know Ryder getting out of school and this girl getting heavy. So let's get up out of here. I know my boy super hot. This nigga got on a whole coat. He got to be hot. It's 80 degrees outside. Appreciate you, bro.
Really, nigga?
Yes. You want your muffin, Shankar? Man, you knocked out, huh? Ain't sure ain't nobody gonna hit us. Old lady look like she wanted to hit us. Slow her down. Maybe I should take, since I got time to take her to see her Granny. We can probably stop over at Granny's house real quick. She see her grandma. Get in this car, y'all. Now I'm ready to go. Home, relax. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Man, like I said, y'all, dude was cool, man. He came up to me. He was like, "Hey, man, your name Javon, right?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm Javon." He like, "All right, I just wanted to make sure I said that right." He like, "So, man, my bad. You had to wait. I know your appointment was at 3. It's 40 minutes later. Y'all, it's 3:49. Literally. He literally just came up to me. We already leaving. So, he like, "Man, what's going on?" I'm like, "Bro, literally, all I need is a cord. Like, my charger cord went out. Look at it. It's, you know, it's kind of messed up. This, that, and third." He like, "All right, bro, you know what? Since we made you wait, since you had to wait so long, I'ma just give you a cord." I was like, "What?" He said, "Yeah, I'ma just give you a cord, man." I'm like, "Bet, bro, cause I ain't been able to get no work done. My charger went out. What's today? Today is Monday, Columbus Day. Matter of fact, y'all, I might give y'all this video today. I might actually give y'all this video today because it's gonna be short. Damn, it's hella traffic. Look, if y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look through that window and then look through the windshield. You can see all that goddamn on traffic. And that's where I gotta go to get home. But he like, "Man, bro, yeah, man, I'm gonna just give it to you for free, man. Don't even worry about it. Usually we gotta charge you for these things." Man, y'all, if y'all got Apple, if y'all have a Macbook, especially if you got a newer one that take the USB-C charger port or the charger, bro, just the cord alone is $20. And then if you need the box to go to that moso, the box to that is, I think it was, I looked them up last night. I want to say, hold on, look, she don't ever be having her face in the camera, and then she be taking all day to respond. Look, she hid. Y'all seen her, she was right there. And then she moved out the way. What's up, Journey?
What are you doing?
I'm making my vlog.
Mom said that.
Oh, his bike, huh? Look at his bike, y'all. His bike is dope. Got that goddamn on scarf on. Alright.
You didn't even say it right.
It's a scarf, right? A bonnet? A scarf is it's a headpiece. That's what it is. Oh yeah, y'all, look at this. I know, it's so cute. But like I was saying, man, the box to that thing, my book bag in the back, I'll show y'all. But the box is like $60, $70. So for a charger for a MacBook Pro, mine is 2019. Man, a charger for that month? Man, bro, $80 for a charger? For the MacBook?
No, son.
Nah, I'm glad my boy. Shout out to dude, I forgot his name, man. Shout out to dude over in Kenwood Township, or Kenwood Town Center, the mall. Shout out to him for hooking me up. Shout out to them for being late, for making him be like, "Hey man, you know we gonna take care of you because we made you wait them 40 minutes. Appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. But y'all, like I said, I'm on my way home. I'm trying to hurry up and get home because I don't want them to, I know wifey gotta go to, she gotta go somewhere at 5. So I'm trying to hurry up because I do want to stop over at my mom's house because she did want to see all the girls, but of course, Ryder is not out of school yet, and Journey, she didn't want to come. So we're gonna stop over there so she can see the baby minion, and we'll see y'all in a second, man. Enjoy the rest of this B-roll, because I know y'all love the way I edit these videos. They're just getting better and better. Shout out to my Vito, aka to y'all, Laven, but that's my Vito. See y'all in a second.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, just left mom's crib. We on the way back to the house. Baby man, you done woke back up. We about to go to the crib, chill, man. Like I said, y'all might get this video today. I'm about to go home since I got a charger. I'm about to put my computer on the charger and get straight to work. So I need to drop a video, and I need to drop one today, because I only was able to drop one last week. As y'all know, I usually do 2-3 videos a week. I only got to drop one because unfortunately my charger went out, and now I got a new one. So we about to go get this work real quick. And you know, it is what it is. So I want to get to the crib. So, as y'all can tell, we are back at the crib. We about to go ahead and end this one off so I can get to work and get this one out to y'all. So, I guess, see y'all in a minute, man. Alright. Peace. So, peace.
Bye-bye.
Peace. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real